Spring is just around the corner here in North Texas, and we know that's going to bring a couple of things, including bluebonnets, but also the really severe spring storms that we experience here throughout Dallas and Fort Worth. My name's Ken Bailey. I'm with Trinity Roofing and Construction, and we're here to help you and your family prepare for the springtime and the volatile weather by making sure that your roof is in good shape, everything is squared away, so that you don't have to worry about what the weather's going to be throwing at you. One of the things that we commonly see on roofs, particularly those that are just a little bit older, maybe 5-6 years and older, are a lot of times the bases on the vents start to become warped. They lose their sealant and there's exposed nails that begin to rust. And that creates an opportunity for windblown rain in these high wind storms to sneak up underneath there and to penetrate through your decking, into your attic, your insulation, and then the next thing you know, you're seeing stains on your ceiling. Save yourself that headache and added expense by calling Trinity Roofing and Construction now. We can help you by coming out and doing a complimentary inspection. If everything is squared away, we love telling you that. If it needs a little bit of attention, we can help you with that as well. So don't forget, Trinity Roofing and Construction, we're here as a resource for you. Please give us a call so that we can come out, do an inspection, and you'll have the peace of mind to know that you're heading into the spring storm season with everything in good shape. Thank you.